Welcome to our arithmetic lesson. Students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, we are ready to begin our arithmetic time with some counting. So girls watching and girls stand up and let's start counting at 30 together. 30, 31, 32,
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
40, 41, 42,
43, 44, 45, 46,
47, 48, 49, 50.
50.
Nice job. Have a seat. Students watching, how did you do with your counting? Are you feeling confident with those numbers? Boys and girls in this classroom, I want you to do something. Stand up. Give me your best and brightest smile. Now, turn to face our students watching. Give them your best and brightest smile. And students watching, I want you to stand up and give us your best and brightest smile. We're going to start at 30 and count to 50 for you, and I want you to count from 30 to 50 for us. Ready? Go. 30, 31, 32, 33,
34,
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45,
46,
47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic. Face toward the front. Students watching, you did a great job counting. Boys and girls in this classroom did a super job. Have a seat. Well, in our last lesson, we learned how to count by a different number. It was not counting by ones, but instead, it was counting by this number. What were we counting by, Isaiah?
10.
And I've got a question for you. Students watching, what do you think is faster? Counting to 50 by ones or counting to the number 50 by tens? What do you think, Bailey?
By 10.
She thinks tens. Now, why do you think Bailey says 10, students watching? And Kendra, why is counting by tens faster? Do we have to count every single number?
No.
No, we don't. If we counted by ones, we have to travel all the way across in these rows. But when we count by tens, we get to count in columns. My seal still is balancing those balls on his nose. He's ready to see if you can count by tens with him. Students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, stand up. Let's start at 10 and count to 100 together.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Fantastic. Have a seat. I've got a question for you. How many tens are in this number? And really what I'm saying is what number is in the tens place? So what number is in the tens place, students watching? And what number is in the tens place, Xavier?
0.
Oh, you're looking at the ones place.
4.
4 is in the tens place. What about the ones place, students watching? And Jacelyn?
0.
That was a fast answer. What is in the tens place in this number, Isaiah?
9.
9 is just right. And what about the ones place, students watching? Jaden K?
0.
0 is it. Fast answers. Let's try one more. Tens place, students watching. Kira?
1.
Ones place, Kendra?
0.
Excellent job. Now, when we count by tens, I think we need to get a little bit of exercise, don't we? So boys and girls in this classroom and students watching, stand up. Put your hands on your head. This is going to be the number 10. You watch my motions and follow along with me as we count by tens to 100 together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Let's do it together again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Nice job. Have a seat, but there's a little bit of a problem. I have my numbers to count by tens, but I dropped my cards, and students watching, they're no longer in order by 10, so I need some help. Students watching, you be ready to help us. Jaden K is ready to go. Come with fast feet. Jed, I love that smile. Come share it with our students watching. Lucas is so focused. Come on up, Lucas. Jed, we've got a card for you. You share that smile and that card. Here we go with Lucas. We've got Isaiah. Isaiah, I've called on you so often in this lesson. Cooper, come up to the front of the room. Love how they're holding these cards now. Jed, make sure it's nice and still. Tyson, come up to the front of the room. Leah, come up to the front of the room. Bailey, come up to the front of the room. And I'm going to need a helper. I'm not quite finished with cards. I need Hannah A to come up. I need Rio to come up. And here's what I need. Are my cards in order from 10 to 100, students watching? And Jacelyn, are they in order?
No.
So why don't we do something? Jacelyn, who needs to be first?
Isaiah.
Isaiah does. Isaiah, come stand right on this side really quickly. Jason, who needs to be next?
Tyson.
Tyson, be next. Now, don't answer yet. Jacelyn, students watching, who should be next? And now, Jacelyn, give us your answer. She's looking, looking, looking. 10, 20.
Leah.
Leah should be next. Here's 30. Jacelyn, who comes next?
Bailey.
Bailey comes next. Don't answer yet. Jacelyn, students watching, who comes after Bailey? And who is it, Jacelyn? 10, 20, 30, 40. She's looking. Do you see him? Yes, it's Cooper. Cooper comes in on this side of Bailey. Now, who's going to be after Cooper, Jacelyn?
Hannah.
Hannah comes next. After Hannah is going to be who? Boys watching. And who should it be?
Shayna.
That's it. She's where she needs to be. And Jacelyn, who comes after that? She's thinking. Think about it. 60, 70. His name is Lucas. Who is it? Lucas, come be next. And are we in order yet, Jacelyn? What do you think, students watching? Have we finished?
No.
Not yet. What do we need to do? Who comes next?
Rio.
Rio does, and then Jed's at the very end. Jacelyn, you were a fantastic teacher. Thanks for your help. Students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, we're going to start with this number. And what number do you see, students watching? And Jade and Elle, what number is this?
10.
It is 10. We're going to count all the way to the end with Jed. And what number does he have, Brock?
100.
100 is correct. Let's count by 10 to 100 together. 10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
That is correct. Now I'm going to take these cards and you can go back to your seat, and I need some help with something else because I brought with me today some cards, but I need to know the number, but the only thing I have on these cards are some pictures. So let's start with this one right here. Students watching, notice how many bunches of 10 balloons I have. Then notice how many bunches I have by themselves, and what's my number, students watching? And I have smiles already. I am loving this. What is my number, Willow?
100.
Now think about it one more time. Willow, how many bunches of 10 balloons do I have?
80.
Not 80 bunches. Let's count together. 1.
2, 3.
So Willow, what I'm really saying is this. I am saying I have a 3 in the tens place. How many balloons are by themselves?
4.
Not 4. Count again, Willow. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So I have 6 by themselves. That's like saying the ones place. And Rio, what number did I just write? Or excuse me, Willow, what number did I write?
36.
36. And students watching, let's check and see if Willow did it correctly. And what do you think? Do you agree? Do you agree with this, Rio?
Yes.
Yes, I do too. Let's look at this next number right here. What number do you see? This one's a little bit of a challenge, isn't it? Notice the tens place, notice the ones place, put them together to make your number. And what number do we have? Fast smile from lots of people. Bailey, what is it?
38.
She thinks it's 38. Students watching, do you agree? Jed, do you agree?
Yes.
I do too, and there's our number right on the front. Last number is this number. Count the tens place, count the ones place, put it together. Benjamin.
11.
Now look, one more time. Benjamin, how many bunches of 10 bowling pins do I have? 3. So I'm really saying I'm putting a 3 in the tens place. How many bowling pins are all by themselves?
1.
So I'm putting a 1 in the ones place. And Benjamin, what is it?
13.
Not 13. Start with the tens place. So 30.
31.
31 is correct. Prepare for speed drill. Good, nice and fast. This is a brand new speed drill, so today you'll put your papers right on a slant and write your first name at the top neatly. Cooper, thanks for being a gentleman. Pretty smile. Thanks for sharing it, Leah. So writing your name neatly at the top of this paper. Just put that one right next to Benjamin. There we go. Looks good. On your marks, pencils in the air. Get set. So pencils are in the air no matter what. Get set means turn your paper over, put your finger at number 1 with a panda bear, and go. We have more combinations in this lesson. Notice your plus, notice your minus, get them just right. Check those answers. All right, I see some people are finishing. Check your answers when you're done. Good, check them. Always check. Pencils inside your tables. Don't write another thing. No more pencils are out. Take your pointer finger and put it at row 1, house 1. Let's check these answers. So students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, have your pointer finger followed to check. Jaden K, do our first row in a nice loud voice.
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Good.
4 plus 1 equals 5. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Good for you. Second row of combinations. Jacelyn, check those for us.
3, 1 plus
2 plus.
2 plus 1 equals 3.
Good.
3 plus 1 equals 4. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 2 plus 3 equals 5.
All right, those were our add to combinations. Students watching, are you ready for our takeaways? Jed, check our takeaway combinations.
1 minus 1 equals 1.
Look at it one more time. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Keep going.
3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1.
You got it. Keep going.
4 minus 1 equals 3.
You got it. Students watching, how did you do with these combinations? A lot of the boys and girls in this classroom did very well. We're going to keep working on these. Turn your papers to the front, pass your papers in, and quietly turn your chairs. Sure, just add it. Good. Kendra is ready to go already. Nice. Table 4 is moving quickly. Kira's ready to go. Rio's ready to go. Jason, bring it right up with Leah next time. She brings them up. Good. Quickly, table 3, Lucas is ready to go. Love it. Jaden K's got a smile on her face. Arithmetic's fun, isn't it? Thank you very much. That helps me. All right, tables 2 and table 1, I'm ready to go. And I am going to need some help on my board with a story problem. And we're going to get to do something a little bit fun at our seats. And students watching, you'll get to join us in doing this. In just a moment, I am going to read a story problem to you. As I'm reading that story problem, Lucas is going to come up and Lucas is going to write in our first story problem box. So Lucas, you take this piece of chalk, you get to start right there in that story problem box. But while I read the story problem, students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, you get to show me the story problem with your straws that you have right in front of you. Are you ready? No straws in your hands yet? I haven't read any story problems. Lucas is ready to go. Let's see how well he's able to do this story problem. Here's our first story problem. The zookeeper bought 2 new toys for the monkeys. The monkeys already had 3 toys. How many toys do they have in all and why? Now, students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, you show me with your straws. I'm showing you with pictures, and Lucas is writing it on the board. Listen again. The zookeeper bought 2 new toys for the monkeys. The monkeys already had 3 toys. How many toys do they have in all and why? Oh, I see some combinations. Kendra, come up to the front fast with your straws. And Kendra, share with our students watching your combination that you have.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Excellent job, and I see a lot of people were able to do that. Thank you, Kendra. You can have a seat. Let's check Lucas's work. And students watching, what do you think? Lucas did a nice job being nice and neat. Up to the front right now, I need to have Bailey. Bailey's going to come work in our next story problem box. Straws down. We've got another story problem. Students watching, have you been doing well with these story problems? Here it is. There are 4 panda bears and 1 koala bear at the zoo. How many are there in all and why? There are 4 panda bears and 1 koala at the zoo. How many are there all together and why? Good, I see some fast combinations. Jade and Kay, come up to the front. Share with us your combination. And Jade and Kay, what is your combination?
1 plus 3.
1 plus
1 plus 4
equals.
equals 3.
Oh, count up these straws. 1 plus 4 equals
5.
5, is it? Now, students watching, Jaden's going to give us the combination twin. You show us. And boys and girls in our classroom, show me the twin. And Jaden, what's our twin to this combination?
3 plus 4 plus 1 equals 5.
Nice job. You can have a seat. Put those straws down. And let's check to see how we did on our board. We've got Bailey. She wrote very neatly. And Bailey, share with us your combination.
4 plus 1 equals 5.
And our answer is?
5.
Excellent job. You can have a seat. Now, students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, are you ready for what we have that's new? Jaden Kay is. She's sitting up straight and tall. Look at the way you're sitting. Are your feet flat on the floor? Do you have your hands in your lap? Is a smile on your face? Because today is the day we get to meet a brand new family. And our new family is the 5 subtraction family. Well, in our last lesson, we met the 1 subtraction, 2 subtraction, 3 subtraction, 4 subtraction, and now we're moving quickly on to that 5 subtraction family. Let's look at some of these combinations, and I need some help because I think students watching, we already know some of these combinations, don't you? And what do you think, boys and girls in this classroom? Do we already know some? Jaden L says, absolutely. Jaden L, what's one combination we already know?
5 minus 0 equals 5.
We do, because we know that if we take 0 away from a number, nothing changes. Well, what about another combination we already know? Students watching, give me another one. And Kendra, what's another one we already know it?
5 plus 4.
5 minus?
4 equals 5.
Now think about it. 5 minus
1
equals?
4.
There you go. Now be a little bit louder so our students watching can hear you.
5 minus 1 equals 4.
Now they heard you, and now I can put my check mark. Well, there's another combination I think we already know. Students watching may have already said it. Jacelyn is ready for it. Jacelyn, what do we already know?
5 minus 2 equals 3.
Oh, Jacelyn, you might know that one, but I don't know that one. There's one that we already know. Think again about what we talked about the other day.
0 plus 0 minus
5 minus.
5 minus 5 equals 0.
That's it. And we know when we take all of a number away, there is absolutely nothing left. Well, we talked about related facts, and just like we have combination twins in subtraction, which is the opposite of addition, we don't have twins, but instead we have related facts. For our first combination, 5 minus 1 equals 4, let's look across to see its related fact. And Benjamin, what am I pointing to?
5 minus 4 equals 1.
That's it, those same numbers working together. Our difference, though, is switched with the other number. Oh, this one's a tough one. Students watching, read for me this combination from our 5 subtraction family. Got some smiles really fast. What is this one, Jed?
5 minus 2 equals 3.
And I need somebody who knows the related fact. Brock, what's the related fact?
3 minus
Now go right here.
3. 5 minus 3 equals 2.
Good for you. And do you notice, students watching, we just switched the place of those last 2 numbers, and that becomes our related fact. Well, I want to share something with you on our dot cards. Did you know that our dot cards can be used for both addition and subtraction? Now, if I were to say, students watching, give me my addition combination, what would you say? And what would you say for my addition combination, Lucas?
5.
Right here. Start with the red dots.
3
Plus
2
equals
5.
That's it. And we can look on the back and see that 3 plus 2 equals 5, and we have its combination twin of 2 plus 3 equals 5. But remember, Subtraction is the opposite of addition. So when we look at a dot card to work with subtraction, this is what we're going to do. In addition, we take one side plus the other side equals all of the dots. But because subtraction is the opposite, we're going to take every single dot on the whole card minus one side equals the other side. So listen to me. All of it minus one side equals the other side. Listen as I say it again. All of it minus one side equals the other side. Students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, let's get your fingers ready. And let's say that together for our subtraction dot cards. All of it minus one side equals the other side. One more time. All of it minus one side equals the other side. So help me out. How many dots do I have on this whole card? Brock, count all of them up. Red side, 5 is just right. All of it minus one side. So let's go to our first side, and students watching, how many red dots do I have? And Rio, what's our answer?
3.
Good. 5 minus 3 equals the other side. So how many blue dots do I have? Kendra.
2.
So what's 5 minus 3, Kira?
2.
It is. Guess what happens? When I turn this card around, I have its related fact. Remember what we're going to do. All of it minus one side equals the other side. Let's say it together.
All of it minus one side equals the other side.
How many dots on the whole card, Willow?
2.
All of it.
5.
5 minus how many blue dots do I have, students watching? And how many blue dots do I have, Hannah A?
2.
Equals how many red dots, Cooper?
3.
3 is just right. So what is 5 minus 2, Jaden K? 5 minus 2 equals?
3.
And there we see the related facts. Let's look at this combination dot card together. Let's think about the subtraction fact. We want to start with all of the dots on the card. So students watching, how many dots on my whole card? And help me out. How many dots on my whole card, Hannah S?
5.
Minus how many blue dots, Hannah?
1.
5 minus 1 equals?
4.
Good for you. Let's turn it to the other side for its related fact. Students watching, give me this related fact. I've got smiles in this classroom already. Students watching, I hope that you got it correct. Leah's going to check your answer. Leah, all of it
5.
minus
4.
equals?
1.
And you got it just right. Good for you, Leah. Now, we want to really focus on our 5 subtraction family. And to do that, I brought some polar bears with me. I'm going to need some people to come help me. And we're going to treat this kind of like a dot card. Here's how it's going to work. All of the bears are going to stay the same because it's my 5 family. How many polar bears are on my board, Benjamin?
5.
Now, you're going to subtract the number in the water that are supposed to be fishing. How many are in the water fishing right now, Cooper? How many are in the water fishing? Do you see any? Oh, look in the water, Cooper. Are there any fishing? No. So 5 minus 0 equals how many bears are still on this iceberg not fishing for their supper, Jed?
5.
There you go. And our first combination is 5 minus 0 equals 5. Together?
5 minus 0 equals 5.
Now we're going to say that again, and Jed, you get to choose a polar bear and let him start fishing in the water because you knew that combination. So Jed, come up quickly. 5 minus 0 equals 5.
5 minus 0 equals 5.
Jed is ready for our next combination, and here's what we're going to do. All of the polar bears, thank you, Jed. It's the same. How many polar bears do I have on my board, students watching? And how many polar bears do I have, Jacelyn?
4.
Oh, look again, all of them. Remember our dot card, we do all of the dots, so all of our polar bears.
5.
5 minus.
5 minus 1 equals 4.
You got it. While we say this combination, put another polar bear in the water. 5 minus
1
1.
equals 4.
My turn first. 5 minus 1 equals 4.
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 Fantastic job. Now we're ready for our next combination. Do you see it, students watching? Start with all of the polar bears. And help us out. Bailey, what's our combination?
5
Minus
2
equals
3.
good for you. Move a polar bear over, and we're moving to our next combination. 5 minus 2 equals 3.
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 You got it. Students watching, tell me our next combination we have. I'll give you a hint. It's the related fact to 5 minus 2 equals 3. I've got so many ladies smiling at me. I love it. But Tyson, you're smiling at me. Tyson, how many polar bears?
2 plus
All of it. We're doing subtraction. It's the opposite.
2.
How many polar bears on my whole board, Tyson?
5.
Good. 5 minus
3.
equals
2.
That's how it works. Good job, Tyson. 5 minus 3 equals 2.
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 All right, we have another polar bear fishing in the water. And Kendra, I'm ready for my next combination.
5 minus 4 equals 1.
You got it just right. 5 minus 4 equals 1.
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 I need a super sharp student who can help me with my last subtraction fact. I've got so many smiles. Students watching, do you know it already? Help us out, Benjamin. What's my combination?
5.
Minus.
5 minus 5 equals 0.
Got it. Come take a polar bear, put it at your name tag, Benjamin, while we say this combination. 5 minus,
5.
my turn first. 5 minus 5 equals 0.
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 Stand up, the 5 subtraction family.
The 5 subtraction family.
5 minus 0 equals 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 5 minus 5.
Equals 0.
Good job. You can have a seat now. I've got a little bit of a problem I need some help with. You see, Mike and Amy went to the store and they both wanted to buy the same piece of candy. It cost 10 cents and Mike reached into his pocket and he pulled out 10 pennies. But Amy reached into her purse and she chose just one coin to pay for the candy. Do you know what coin Amy chose? The candy cost 10 cents and Mike had 10 pennies. That was enough, but Amy had one coin that paid for everything. I have some smiles on faces, and students watching, you might already know this coin. The coin that we're going to talk about today is called the dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. I want you to notice some things about the dime. The first thing I want you to see is the name of the president that's on the front. The name of this president is Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Sometimes he's called FDR. He was a president of our United States, and notice the words on it. It has the words liberty and in God we trust, and then it has a number right down here. This is the number that means it's minted or made in this year. On the back, I want you to notice something. We have a freedom torch, and then on either side we have an oak leaf, and we have another type of branch right behind it. It's an olive branch. Around it are the words United States of America and then one dime to let us know this coin. So whenever you see a dime, this thin silver coin, even though it's the smallest coin, it's worth 10 cents. So when you see a dime, that means you get to count by tens. I brought with me today a real dime, and you can see it's not very big. Students watching, you're going to have to look really closely to see this coin. You can see Franklin Delano Roosevelt. And you can also see on this coin that it has our president on there, and it says the word liberty, which means freedom. This thin coin, it's pretty small, but it's worth 10 cents. So when we count the dime, what number do you think we should count by? Hannah S., count by what?
10.
We should count by tens. I wonder if I have somebody in this room who can count dimes already. Students watching, when I call in this person, I want you to count dimes with them. Hey, Jaden K, why don't you get us started? Count for us.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
60 what? What's that? What do we say?
6.
60 cents. Excellent job, students watching. I hope you counted those coins as well as Jaden K. Brock is ready to count. Boys watching, I want you to count some coins with Brock.
10, 20, 30, 40.
40 what?
Cents.
40 cents is correct. Girls watching, I want you to be ready to count these coins with Willow. So Willow, let's count.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
70 what, Willow?
Cents.
70 cents is just right. Now I want to show you just a little bit bigger our dime. I want you to be able to see our president that's on the front of it. Now you can see this is our president, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, and notice something about it. It is his profile. That means the side of his face. So students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, I want you to face this direction, just your head. And now I see your profile and you can see mine face back toward the front. Something else I want you to see is on the back of it, and there is that torch of liberty and the olive branch and the oak branch. And there you can also see the word one dime and our country, the United States of America. I have some dimes for us to count. Students watching, count that first row of dimes. And what are we going to count by, Jacelyn?
10.
We are going to count by tens. And Jacelyn, why don't you check our students watching's answer?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
80?
Cents.
80 cents is correct. Let's count that second row of dimes. Go all the way across and think about what you're going to count by. Good, I see some people counting. Students watching, do you know already? Jed, count those coins for us.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
50
Cents.
Nice job. Now, I've got a little bit of a problem, and that's this. How many cents do I have right there, students watching? I kind of gave the answer away, didn't I? And what is our answer? How many cents, Kira?
5.
Oh, not 5 cents.
50.
That's it. She's right. There's 5 dimes to make 50 cents. And Kira went shopping. She had 5 dimes, and she spent a dime at the candy store. How many cents does Kira have left? So Kira went shopping. She had 5 dimes. We know that's 50 cents. She spent 1 dime at the candy store. How many cents does she have left, Bailey?
40.
She does have 40 cents. Prepare for arithmetic. Have that arithmetic paper out. And we're ready to check the front of our paper. Let's make sure we did it correctly. Right now, Xavier, I want you to check by just giving us our answers going across. Students watching, you listen to his answers.
5, 3, 4, 4, 5, 2, 5.
There you go. Now, we want to look at our addition facts. So, Jacelyn, would you do our first addition fact for us?
0 plus 5.
We're looking at the pennies right now, Jacelyn.
3 plus 2 equals 5.
That is just right. Willow, would you check our second fact with the pennies?
2 minus
Oh, not minus. That's our plus sign. 2 plus.
2 plus 2 equals 2.
That's correct. Students watching, count by tens going across. And Kendra, let's check their answer.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
That is a lot of pencils, isn't it? Turn your paper to the back. Have your pencil in your hands. And number 1 says we're going to cross out gumdrops to find out how many are left. Let's look at our first one. We have 5 gumdrops. Cross out 0. So you're not doing anything. And how many are left, students watching? Jaden.
5.
That's it, and that's why they put 5 in that answer box. Let's go to our next one. We have 5 gumdrops. How many should we cross out, Leah? They haven't done it yet. They want you to do it. So look at that second number. We have 5. How many should we cross out?
1.
Cross out 1. And now count up how many are left. And Jacelyn, what's our answer? Count up those gumdrops.
4.
4 is correct, because what is 5 minus 1, Jacelyn?
4.
Good job. Let's go to our next one. I don't want any tummy aches. Don't you eat all these gumdrops you cross out. How many gumdrops do we have right now, Benjamin?
5.
That's it. How many should we cross out? Jaden L.
2.
Cross out 2. So we had 5. We crossed out 2. And how many are left, Brock?
3.
3 is it? Because 5 minus 2 equals what, Tyson? 5 minus 2 equals?
4.
Oh, not 4, that's 5 minus 1. Count backwards, 2 numbers. So Tyson, 5 minus 2 equals? 1, 2, 3 is correct. Let's go to our next one. We have 5 gumdrops. How many should we cross out, students watching? And Kira, how many should we cross out?
3.
Cross out 3 gumdrops. And how many do we have left, Hannah A?
2.
2 is right because 5 minus 3 equals what, students watching? And what's 5 minus 3, Jed?
2.
That's right. Let's go to our next one. We have 5. How many should we cross out, Lucas?
4.
Get busy. Cross out 4. Good girl. And 5 minus 4 equals what, Isaiah?
1.
1 is correct. So write 1 in that last box. 1 more to go. How many gumdrops do we have, students watching? And how many do we have, Willow?
5.
How many should we cross out, Willow?
0.
Oh, look again. How many does it say to cross out?
1.
Look at this one. What number's that, Willow? Help us out, students watching. How many should we cross out? And how many should we cross out, Kendra?
5.
There you go. You're trying to give me the answer. Cross out 5 gumdrops. And Hannah S., how many gumdrops do we have left?
0.
Because what is 5 minus 5, Tyson?
0.
0 is just right. Let's go on to our coin. Students watching, what type of coin is this? And what coin do you see, Benjamin?
And done.
A dime is worth how many cents, Leah? Think about a dime. How many cents is 1 dime worth? 10 is correct. So what should we count by, students watching? And what should we count by, Jacelyn?
10.
Let's count by 10. So Kendra, get us going with this first row. Start counting by 10s, please.
10.
10, write 10 in that first box. What comes next, Kendra?
20.
Write 20 in our second box. Students watching, answer our last box. And Kendra, what's our last box?
30.
30 cents is correct. Let's go to our next set of coins. What should I write in the first box, Rio?
10.
That's correct. Write 10 there. Keep going, Rio. What's next?
20.
Nice. Continue.
30.
Now, Rio, what's our next box going to say?
40.
40 is it. And students watching, finish up this row of dimes too. How many cents are there? And Rio, how many cents?
50.
50 cents is just right. Do the last row of dimes by yourself. Hannah S., check our last row of dimes for us.
10, 20, 30, 40.
40,
Cents.
that's correct. Let's look together at number 3. Number 3 says we need to write the number that comes after by ones. So look at that first number. Students watching, tell us the first number. And Willow, what's our first number?
11.
Look one more time at the number. There you go, 10. And then Willow, what should you write?
11.
That's correct. Write the number 11. We count 10, 11. Let's go down in that green box. Kira, what's our next number?
22.
Now you're trying to give me the answer. I want to hear the number they wrote.
21.
21. And then what should we say, Kira?
22.
Good. We count 21, 22. Finish up that last green column. And Bailey, help us out with the last green column. What's the number they wrote?
38.
And what comes after Bailey? 38.
39.
39 is correct. Let's go to the orange column really quickly. Students watching, share with us the first number they wrote. Now tell us the number that comes after by ones. And help us out. Jade and L, what's the number they wrote?
51.
You wrote 51. What did they write?
50.
50, and then you wrote?
51.
Good for you. Students watching, finish this paper with your on-site teacher.